Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mr. Martin with today's announcements. It's April 20th. I can't believe we're already almost through April here. Let's have a great week, work hard, do our best to do our best, support each other, add value, etc. Today, a few questions about dreams. My questions would be, what dreams are you dreaming for tomorrow? What are your goals for the future? Where do you see yourself in the future? And how do you define success? Will you be a champion, a leader, a winner, a value adder? What will you do in the future that has made your dreams come to fruition? So about dreams, I'm going to quote Eleanor Roosevelt here. Eleanor Roosevelt, of course, a fantastic first lady. I cannot imagine how much work it would be to be a first lady in any administration, but certainly during the Great Depression and World War II, when Franklin Delano Roosevelt was president and Eleanor was first lady during that time. What a fantastic amount of work. And then what a great person she was and continued to be after the war. She worked with human rights, with the United Nations. In fact, won the most influential woman of the year in 1948, named that by Time magazine, one of the 100 most influential women in the world according to Time magazine. Anyway, Eleanor Roosevelt said this about dreams: the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Fantastic words. And so, Wildcats, when you think about your dreams, if you want to be successful, set a goal, set a dream, make a plan, work for it, with hard work, integrity, trust in yourself, relying on yourself, and asking for help of others. You can get there. You can add value. You can achieve anything, Wildcats. So that's the announcements for today. If you want to learn more about Eleanor Roosevelt, this book is in her own words. This is her story, This I Remember. It's the story of her life with Delano Roosevelt, basically from when he was governor of New York until he died during his presidency. And then No Ordinary Time by Doris Kearns Goodwin. This is a Pulitzer Prize-winning book, a fantastic book if you have any interest in history, World War II, Delano Roosevelt, or this fantastic woman, Eleanor Roosevelt. So follow your dreams, Wildcats, add value, work hard this week. We care about you, we love you. Do your best every single day. Take care, Wildcats.